What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and it is Hassan here. So today I'm back with another trade. I told you I'll be giving you trades every week. So this week I'm giving you two trades. I've already given you Eurochef. If you haven't seen the trade yet, go to my channel. The trade is going to happen. It's going to start happening next week. So you go to my channel and check out Eurochef. I already did analysis on it and it is there. Now on my screen I have USD CAD, baby. So I'm going to be giving you the analysis for USD CAD, and after you can either take the trade or wait for the market to open and then you take the trade. So I'm going to be giving you analysis and the signal for USD CAD. I told you I'm going to be giving you signals each and every week, such that you go to the week when you have something to stake your money on. And if you don't believe that these signals work, you can put them on a demo account and then monitor them. Then you come and give us feedback in the comment section. Okay, so we shall go straight to the chart on EuroCAD and on USD CAD. You see, it is a USD CAD, so this is the monthly time frame. As usual, you know my strategy, it is the top-down analysis. So when you come to the monthly time frame of this USD CAD, what do you see? Like, what strikes you in the beginning when you come to the monthly time frame? What strikes you in the beginning? For me, what I can see is a market that is going up. I see a higher high, a higher low, another high which broke this high, and then it is like going to make a higher low. That is what I see. So after that, what else do I want? I want to get my trend line and then put it from the swing low and stretch it up there. You see, if I draw my trend line there, you see market has been moving above this trend line for how long? This was 2021 up to 2025. So that was May 2021 to 2025. So that means we've had how many days? We've had 2021, 2025. We have around 4 years. Market has been upside of this trend line. So what does that mean? Okay, what do you get from that? It is an uptrend. It is in an uptrend. So after that, after drawing my trend lines and I have shown that we're going up, next thing I do is I draw the fib from the swing low to the swing high. There. When I draw my fib from the swing low to the swing high, this is where my 61.8% fib is. Exactly where this candle is. 61.8% fib. There, I think you can see it. This is 50, this is 61.8. This is where my candle is, my monthly candle is, and it is rejecting. You can see a rejection there. So you have a support that is here, you have a trend line that is supporting the upward direction, a support that is pushing it up, and also the fib. And look at the way it stands on the fib clearly. Also the fib is there. So meaning our next target for USD CAD is here. Let me show you. Our next target for USD CAD is here. So we are moving from here up to here. And this month remaining with how many days to end? Only 10 days. That is 1 week. So we're expecting USD CAD to move from down here up to up. And then if it breaks here, then we shall continue holding the buys. If it does not break and shows us signs of coming back down, we shall exit our trades and wait for it to come and test the trend line. Okay, so now that we know that, we can remove the trend line and then we go to the lower time frame day. Remember, monthly has told us we are going up. Monthly has told us we are going up. So we go to the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame. We've had higher high, higher low equal high, higher low, and then we broke up. So after breaking up, we have come back here to retest this area. People who trade using break and retest strategy, this is now where you come in handy. We have broken this structure. We have come to retest this area here. Break and retest. So after retesting this area, since we are in a downtrend, we are expecting price to go where? To go up here. This is where we're expecting price to reach. I hope we are together up to that. I don't want to leave anyone behind. So now that we know that price wants to go here, what next? What do we do? So what we do is, one, we are waiting for something on the lower time frame that can show us something that looks like a reversal in order for us to execute the trade or enter for buys. However, if price breaks here, if I see a weekly candle break and close below here, we are not selling, we are not buying. We shall wait for a retest and then sell up to this level target here. Yes, that is if a weekly candle, next week's candle, crosses above and closes here, we shall sell up to here. But for now, they are favoring the upside to a tune of around 75%, then 25% to the downside. So now that we know, we are looking for buys only. We are looking for buys only here, because the monthly told us we're going up, weekly told us we're going up. Now the daily is telling us that we are looking for buys. We are the support and we're looking up. What do? Drop 1 hour lower, one time frame lower to the daily. If you come to the weekly, told us we're going up. So if you come to the daily, what do you see? Price is at this support here, and you can see there is some sort of buying pressure. Price came here, bought up to here, got a rejection, pulling price back, and now it's looking like we are going up. Guys, what does that show you? We are developing signs of going back up. And remember, that is what we want to see, because since we are favoring the upside, up to here, we want to see price reject this area, show us signs of going up, and then we enter. However, we do not trade on the daily, we do not trade on the weekly, we do not trade on the monthly, we trade on the 4 hour. Now you come to the 4 hour. This is where our entries happen here. How do we now enter? How do we take advantage of this? How do we enter this trend? For me, it is simple. I'll just draw a counter trend line. Let me get one. Draw a counter trend line from bottom to here. So now, according to this, it shows me the trend line has been broken. It has been broken, and now we are coming to retest. So I'll wait for a retest and bounce off this trend line, come here, make a higher low, break this level here, come make a higher low, give me a pullback, and then I enter up here. This is what I'm talking about. I want price to come here, bounce off, make a higher low, give me a retest, then I enter from here and take it up there. You get it, guys? Price come here, bounce off, give me a retest, and then I take it up. If I don't see something like that, well, I won't take entries. However, I'll try to look at it and see if it can give me something else that I can use to enter. However, if price breaks here, we shall wait for a retest, give us a structure that looks like going to the downside, and then we enter the trade. Guys, that is how simple it can be. Analyzing the forex market, if you have been on charts for a long period of time, it can only take you around 10 to 15 minutes and you're done. You know the direction of the market, you know what you're looking out for, you know whether you should wait or whether you should go on. Like, it is you, but it can all happen within 15 minutes. It is not hard, but you need to put in time, because it needs a lot of chat time and experience. That is going to help you analyze the market within minutes, and you'll be able to either execute the trades or wait for you into a strategy to form before you can execute your trades very well. So guys, that is all. You can follow me, you can subscribe to the channel, you can like, share with your friends. For now, that is the analysis we have on USD CAD. USD CAD, next week we're expecting a buy from next week. That is, today is 20th April 2025. So today market is opening today at around 2 a.m. So we are expecting a buy on USD CAD, but we shall wait for a break of this area here. Retest on trend line, break this area, give me a pullback, and then we shoot to USD CAD to the upside. How many pips are there? Significant number of pips. 600 pips, guys. 600 pips. There are the pips there. So after we have short USD CAD with the upside, we shall be on course for 600 pips, and we can wait for 600 pips. We can wait. We get there as long as we are making profits. We are not in a hurry to close the market. So guys, that is all. Subscribe to the channel, share, and also turn on notification, because I'm going to be sharing trades like this every week. Whenever I share, make sure you are on such that you do not miss any setup and I share, because whichever analysis I make, at least I make sure I give out a trade or a signal for you guys such that you can go and make some money. So that is all. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.